Ciao Damien, welcome to my channel. Today we are in Marienplatz, one of the biggest squares in Stuttgart. Today is 9th of June and today is the European Parliament election of everywhere in the EU. For a previous video I did part 1, and on part 1 I did S-Bahn and U-Bahn. Today I'm going to do Funicular and U-Bahn. The Funicular is called Zahnradbahn, and we're going to go in. Zahnradbahn, you can also borrow bicycles to Degeron because it's a hilly place, Marienplatz. No. Special with Funicular, and it has its own wagon for bicycles. These ropes are here to put the bicycle in it and then put it back here. Stegel's the other end station that's on the mountain, but Zahnradbahn was firstly opened in 1884, but changed wagons a lot of times. Earlier you can have bikes on it, so glad you can today. This is Charlottenplatz, a double-decker station, and if you want to go to the below deck from the upper deck, it's based on the direction. If you want to go to the city center, then on that one, but if you're going to go out of the city center, then that one. This is the Zahnradbahn, this is the Seilbahn. We're going on the Seilbahn right now. It is right here. It goes every 20 minutes from 9:10 a.m. to 5:50 p.m. Now we are at Stuttgart, the station where the Seilbahn has the lower station. That's how the Seilbahn looks like. Even though it looks older, it's actually built in 1929.
Super machst du das, bravo! Jetzt geradeaus. Super machst du das. Jetzt nach links. Machst du keinen Kratzer in der Garage, wenn du fährst, gell? Nicht vorsichtig sein. Machst du sehr gut. Der große Bruder hilft dir.
Now we're up at the top station that's called Weisfeldhof, and our journey comes to an end. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.